Good morning, good morning, good morning, Steve. Good morning, Legacy Wealth. Good morning, YouTube. Good morning, everyone. How are we feeling today?
Like and subscribe.
Like and
Get in there, get
subscribe.
early. Let's take it to the bank. Hallelujah.
Oh, what just happened? Yeah.
How are you doing, Debop?
So far, so good. Another day in paradise.
I like what I said, Debop. The music started. It kind of worked. It
How was your weekend?
was very awesome, man. It was beautiful out.
We'll take it. We will take it.
We were camping, and it was just like it was like the weather was perfect, and it was amazing.
Okay.
I mean, I got windows open in my house. I mean, that's insane.
Well, that lets you know we're out of the summertime. I'll tell you that.
Yes,
When,
and it was a hell of a summer. Like, I mean, it cooked all our crops.
yeah.
Let's get real. Did you have a chance to find a sombrero?
I did not. I am going to the store today. I gotta finish getting some stuff from Mexico. Um, so the sombrero is going to be here on Thursday. That's all I know.
Morning, fellas.
Good morning, G. Good morning, sir.
Why I thought we couldn't trade today?
Hey, it happens. It happens.
Why I thought we couldn't trade today? I'm like, man, I'm trying to wait for the But I was like, you know what? I called you first. You didn't answer. So I'm like, let me text Duane. Let me find out. Duane said we traded. I said, oh, that's all I need to hear.
Yeah, we're back. I'm excited to see what type of action we get today with all the volatility from last week.
It's on its way back up.
Potentially.
See, sitting right there. They're gonna drop.
We're going to see because last week was crazy. Last Friday. And with all the tariff stuff, everything like that, that's when we got to be cautious. Only because, as you guys saw last Friday, the market completely just dumped.
We saw it.
And whenever it has moves like that, today it should be moving pretty well. Tomorrow should be moving probably a little bit better than today. Because like the banks are open, all that stuff, even though they don't really affect the futures market, but I look at all that stuff where it all comes together, you know what I'm saying? So
isn't Pablo speaking tomorrow?
I would have to double check. I'm not exactly sure.
I saw something.
Duane is gonna speak right now.
I'm just here to make $1 and keep it moving. That's it.
But are you just trading micros then?
Oh no micros.
Like, I got my dollar, I'm going home.
I just need to make 400 more dollars today. Then
I want you to make 20,000, G.
Nah, let's not push it that much.
Oh, listen, I believe in you, and you might not like it, but I believe in you.
Well, once I bet it, yeah, the goal will be 20,000 a day.
There, see, that's the G that I know. That's Big G right there.
That's Big G.
That's how he's known, like at the barbershop, Big G.
Once I bet it out, but I'm glad I'm going through these trials and tribulations right now. Like with each loan account, I'm getting smarter.
Mm-hmm.
So I was like, all right, this time I know what I'm gonna do this time. Look, I didn't know that Friday. I didn't know who was listed. When I heard y'all said, whoa, what the hell? I wasn't even looking at the market. I
Yeah.
ran back and then I looked and I seen. I was like, what? The fuck?
You know?
And I literally blown 2 accounts, two valves, and just recovered from one. That's when I made that 20. I said, you know what? That's it.
Yeah.
I literally could have got on an account that Friday, but I was just like, you know what? I'll wait it out.
All right.
I was perfect.
Yeah, whenever, like I said, I was caught in that tariffs news, the first tariffs news when that came out. It was like scary the first time.
Yeah, I mean, I imagine the first time you saw that, you're like, what in the world?
Like, I mean, every day trader that I would watch back then, everything like that, they were all shook.
Yo, listen, there was a guys that saw me when I heard. Luckily, I had it on my computer. When I heard you and Steve said, oh, guys was like, "Whoa, what was that?" I ran back to the computer. I was like, "What the?" And then I looked.
Yep.
They're not lying. And then Duane just kept saying, it's still going down. Like, still.
Yeah.
And I'm looking, I'm like, holy, and I'm like, man, let me jump in. I had to.
No, like, that's the type of movement which is crazy, but I love the most because it's the easiest way with our strategy with the Renko bars, everything like that, to see the momentum to be able to make money. Like, when it's volatile like that, it's probably like one of the easiest ways to make money. But like for me, last week, I sized down because I'm like, listen, the way it's jumping up and down, I can't go in 4 contracts or else I may go too much into my drawdown. So I sized down and still made really good money.
I wish I was thinking the way you were thinking. If I did, I probably would have had two accounts.
Yeah.
Literally two.
Yeah, when there's a lot of volatility, there's no reason to trade big size.
Right. That's being too greedy. I think. But I'm not gonna lie, you have some traders that like that. And you know what? You just benefit from it. But it could hurt you. It could hurt you so fast.
Oh yeah.
All right, let's see where we're at. So we got this VWAP below us down at 807. Let's see.
Yeah, well, I got 807 too, and then we got the EMA at 40 on the 2 minute.
Then the close from Friday was all the way down at 24,188. 24,188 for the close on Friday.
So I think keep the little.
About 35 more seconds. 35 more seconds for market open here. We're getting ready. Do I think we're going to go back down, tap that 24,188 from Friday? That would be pretty crazy. To be honest with y'all.
I don't what, but I'm here for it.
But I do know the stuff with the tariffs, everything that's still going on.
Oh yeah.
So China responded saying they're going to do some things as well.
There we go.
So let's see what we get here.
Above it.
No.
That wasn't me. That was not me.
I was making sure that it was on my sim. I just wanted to make sure it worked, so we're good.
That was not me.
The thing was taking so long to load up, so I was like, okay, will it trade?
Like, look at this, boy. I said, that's Wayne. Like, no, Stop me.
No, you only heard mine last week on Friday because I couldn't log back in on my
Listen,
Ninja,
man,
so I had to trade on Tradeovate.
It's like order filled.
But I'm back. I got myself on Ninja again today, so we're good.
I'm not gonna lie, bro. You see those, that wick on that candle, man? Like,
I see it.
I don't know, boy.
What's your gut saying, Dwayne?
Man, I'm saying
I feel like we're going to come back down somewhat.
somewhat and then push up.
Like,
Today
I
gotta
want
be
to
a-
honestly see us get back down maybe like 24,600s potentially. I don't see us closing that gap completely to the 188 because that's a massive gap. And today's a no news Monday. So not looking for that. But since we do have that gap, slightly tempted to see if we start pushing down. But being patient today, trading my funded account, so not rushing anything prematurely today. I'm ready for bed. I know that's sad to say. It's only 9:31. I'm already ready for bed. I had a long night last night.
Well, you were out dancing again?
Well, actually, I was not dancing. My girl was dancing. But we went to the Eye last night, got us some nice steaks. My girl said next time we go, she has to get a tomahawk like the one I get because I let her try mine. And she's like, it was amazing. Best tomahawk in Orlando, I'll tell you that.
That's awesome.
And trust me, I'm a tomahawk connoisseur, so I know what a good one tastes like.
You know, it's good to have a good skill. No, I'm glad you were able to do that.
Oh, by the touch of VWAP.
Tristan, good morning, sir. Good morning, son. How are you this morning? When your kid gets on your live stream and says hi, gotta love it.
What's up, Tristan?
Where is he?
All right, going through that VWAP. I'm great, sir. All right, so there we go. We broke into the 700s. Let's see if we get some good follow through here. It's only been 3 minutes, not trying to jump in prematurely or anything like that. If the momentum continues, I'll definitely take a quick little short. But kind of want to get closer to that 9:45 time frame. Trying to play it safe. I go to Mexico this week, so I want to go to Mexico in the green.
De Verde. And it's Verde in Mexico.
Let's see if we build out bear flag.
Yeah, that's what I'm looking at on the 2 minute. On the 1 minute 2.
Definitely want to see a nice little bear flag for us here.
As soon as we both split the line, it's like
It's all right. Time to go up.
my favorite is like on the 5 minute. It's like 2 seconds till. It's like yes, it's gonna finish green. It's like nope, it dips red real quick. Fine, see if I care.
I wanted to take it short there, but it wasn't looking heavy enough for my liking, so I didn't jump in yet. Yeah, we're coming down to that 600s. I can feel it. We have not gotten a bear flag yet.
See,
We had a small one right here on this 5-minute candle on the 5-minute chart, but we'll see. Well, no, sir. You got school, kid.
Oh, denied.
I want to see a flag here.
My wife is home today, so I'm gonna trade heavy right now, like with you guys, and then we're gonna go on a hike and just chill out and dig on each other. No kids.
I closed that trade. It did not close me out.
Did you hear me, Duane?
Yeah, I heard you.
Okay,
I closed on this ninja. It didn't close me out.
It's making sure that you make the big bucks.
It's looking like a potential bear flag on that finish. Got a form, right?
Yeah.
I see it. One up.
Dun, 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 dun. Yeah, we're gonna get some structure here, Duane.
I did not like that. I hit the close button. It didn't close me out of that trade.
You structure up on that bear flag, right? 2-minute speed.
Oh yeah, the 2-minute and 1-minute for sure. Look at the wick on a 5-minute. That wick on that 5-minute candle is insane.
I didn't even see when move came in.
Let me see if it did close me out, actually. Let me log in. Because that's happened to me a couple times now on my Apex accounts where I'll hit close, but it'll still show on Ninja that it's actually open, but it's actually not.
Because Apex, they, as part of their covenant, they decide when to close a trade. That's how they make sure they don't pay. You go in no, you close a trade. It doesn't count. We have to close it for you.
Like a little structure.
Yep.
Bear flag, but start to go up a little bit. At that bottom wick on that candle, is that just keep that price down. You want to go down? You want to go down?
Down.
Trust me, I see the momentum.
just waiting for it.
Oh yeah, me too. Just wait for it to form. That's all. It is. Well, once I see it, boom! Take action. I want to be like prepared when when those unexpected drop happens, but it's on the good side, not the bad side. You're like, holy. Whew.
I think that's every trader's dream. I've yet to be able to do that. Not gonna lie.
Oh man, that happened. I wish it happened to me on the real account, but it happened to me on the 10. So I was just messing around, and then once I saw that drop, I wasn't even paying attention to the price. I didn't even go crazy till I looked and see how much up in the green I was. I was like, what?
430 on that trade right there. We'll take that.
Okay.
Let me rotate over to on my other accounts.
I smell that bear. Smell that bear flag. go to the. They try to go to the 600. The high 600. About 9.45.
Look at that last 5-minute candle. Just a total like shooting star.
God,
You see that, Uncle Duane?
Which one?
The 5-minute candle. Look at it. It's like a doji, like a shooting star. Like boom.
Yep. Let's see what we get here. Currently, we have a. Let's looking at our range so far for the day. Over 100-point range for this morning session so far. I'm most likely going to hold possibly till the 9:45 now to trade these funded Tradeify accounts. But if the market wants to dumpy dump because we got that bear flag on that 1 minute, I'm all for the party.
Back up. Back. Oh! Right back up.
Some good structure here. Once we break it, it's going to be a big waterfall.
There you go. What's good, Moose?
What's up, Moose?
What's up? What's going on?
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Remember, this week, Moose, patience.
Yeah.
Patience.
Yes.
It's a virtue. Moose, it's a virtue.
Yeah.
Huge rip up right there. Huge rip up.
Oh, no.
Was not expecting that type of a rip there.
Damn.
We went through the VWAP, through the 21 EMA. That's kind of crazy because we are starting to build out a nice bear flag there, and the market knew everyone was waiting for that bear flag, so they just pushed it.
Imagine if you did that for some. Woo. That's like 10, 15 points right there.
More than that, tapping that VWAP. Let's see if we build out a bull flag now.
Yeah, probably more. You say.
What?
About 20.
Let's see if we get that bull flag.
Better get some activity here on these here Renko bars.
We have less than 30 seconds for the 9:45. So that 15-minute range will finally be completed. Not really liking these Renko bars right now, how they're looking. Looks like it was trying to consolidate a little bit. Oh, I saw a consolidation. That's why I wasn't touching.
Whoa.
Be careful, gentlemen.
Yes, I am.
Be careful.
Are you logged into tariff.com so you can see if like Trump said something?
Rock. Damn.
That's why we weren't. I saw the consolidation starting. I'm like, that doesn't look good.
That was a drop.
Drop.
Consolidating some more.
To another drop.
All right, so the 15-minute range is completed now. We do have these wicks on the bottoms of these candles here, so letting us know the buyers are trying to step in, but just patiently waiting. Getting ready to come up, tap that VWAP. Almost tapped it. All right, through that VWAP, tap that 21 EMA. $320 on that account right there. I was gonna hold for another couple seconds, but I'm like, you know what? $320 in the bank. Let's just rotate. Next funded account. Let's see if we build another flag.
So yesterday, because I got my fire pit going, so we harvested the stuff that we grow in there. So during spring and stuff, we'll grow like certain things, and one of them was ube, which is like a sweet potato.
Okay.
So I was looking online to see if I could feed the ube leaves to the chickens, and it said no, you cannot take uber. Chicken cannot take uber. So there's that.
Well, good to know you can't transport your animals with Uber. Good to know.
Yeah, so like, well, take this hen over to my. It's just like, okay, that was just kind of funny. When it was like, stop it.
All right, we're consolidating once again above this 21 and above the VWAP.
Above the VWAP.
Patiently waiting here, patiently waiting.
You are doing good, Duane.
I'm trying to, Steve.
You're like sedate. You're like mellow.
All right, building out some structure right here for this flag.
I mean, bull flag, right?
Yep.
That next pinpoint is at that 858.
All right, so we just broke out of the 15-minute range.
I'm looking
Waiting
at
for that pullback down into the 15-minute range before we start pushing. Since we know whenever we pop out of that 15-minute range, we always come right back down into it for that first breakout.
Does it? We know it, but does it know it?
Well, it should know it. It's like playing like right above that 15-minute range. All right, we did not come back down into it yet. First target to the upside here is at 901. 901.
I'm just gonna go with 900 because that's a whole number as well. So we'll have double on that.
But for me, I'm not even looking at that 900, 901 level until we pull back into this 15. There we go.
What?
We just pulled back into it and popped right back up. Giving us a nice bull flag right there. I want to see some solid momentum here. We're consolidating right here, so be careful right now. These Renko bars consolidating.
I'm casting my cares, man.
We got 6 minutes before 10 o'clock, 6 minutes before that 10 o'clock time frame. So just tap that high of the 15-minute range right there. All right, back into that 15-minute range. Now we'll start looking for that 900 level. Since we pulled back into this 15-minute range, this is what I wanted to see before we shoot up here. So $520 right there on that trade. We'll take it. We'll take it. We waited for that pullback into the 15-minute range because, guys, the market always repeats itself. Each and every day, it does the same exact thing. That's why I always tell people, trade something consistently. Don't be jumping around from different, like the Nasdaq to the ES to gold, Forex. Don't do that.
Man,
Trade
I wear
one.
my gold. I don't trade it. I wear my gold.
Trade one thing, learn it over time, so that way you know what it's going to do. That's the only way to truly make money in the market. You have to master. You just need to master one. You don't need to master all, just one. I haven't even mastered the Nasdaq, but over time, I've seen the patterns of what it tends to do each and every day, because I've traded it for over a year now. So let me actually pull up. Let's get this going here. Trading view. Just so I could explain what this thing does every single day here. Every single day. And you could literally just do this one, trade the one thing and make money each and every day. Once this wants to load.
There's a tomahawk steak in every trade.
All right, this is the 2-minute chart. So this box right here is currently red. That's the 15-minute range for the day. So the first 15 minutes, the highest point for the 15 and the lowest point for the first 15 minutes, from 9:30 to 9:45. When we pop out of this 15-minute range, this first initial pop out, the market will always come back down into this 15 before it pushes up. And that's the same for at the lows. So say we pop out the lows, that first pop out, we're going to retrace into this 15-minute range. And once we retrace into that 15-minute range, then expect the push out. Because as we see right now this is pushing. We pulled in and now we're pushing out. We're going to go to that 900 level. But you could literally just trade that one, just that each and every day and make money. That opening range break to the upside or the downside. You could just trade that and make money each and every day. That's my little tutorial for the day on the opening range break. But can't beat that, guys. Can't beat that. Let me rotate to the next account. You know, you trade a lot of accounts when you have a notes pad with all your account numbers.
There it is. One minute till 10 o'clock.
Yep. Don't get in a trade till after 10 o'clock here. Don't get in a trade. Let's wait. We are going up to that 900 level. I called out the target, 901. Let's see if we get there. I want to jump in, but we're right here at this 10 o'clock. I don't want to be in a trade at 10 o'clock. But I know we're going to go up and touch that 900 level.
Hey, Duane.
Yes, sir.
Traderfly charged me from last month when I already had a thing, and I had to reset one time, right? And it charged me again for this, like a membership last month. But I had to reset it though. So why would it do that?
Was it for that same account?
I suppose, because there's no other. I never used another account. I never created a second account.
No. I'm talking about another like 50K account.
No. It's the same account that I have. I never created more than one. I had two funded, but not two.
Yeah.
Two separate, you get what I'm saying?
Yeah, I would send them a ticket saying and just put billing issues.
Yeah. Okay.
and then explain you reset your account, but you're still charged after you reset it.
Got it. Okay, cool. Thank you.
Yes, sir.
10 o'clock's open.
Make sure you guys are using the LWS code on the YouTube and the Legacy. Make sure you're using the LWS. That gives you the best discounts on Tradeify. LWS.
Tap that up. It did go over that time. It's going in and out.
So we did tap that 901 level. I don't know who said we were going to get there, but whoever said that must know what they're doing somewhat.
Oh my goodness.
It went right back down.
Actually, let me rotate over to that take profit account.
The next pivot is at 920.
Feeling froggy. Holding, not jumping into any trades until we get above that 900 level, or we push further away to the downside from that 900, because that 900 is a magnet. That whole number. So, got my hands in front of me. Hands are up. Not on the mouse because I'm not trying to click buttons. All right, there we go. Starting to push away from that 900. Nice little pullback right there.
I was at 120 and then it closed out at 550.
No one's complaining about 550.
$5.50.
Oh, I'm like 500. Hey, no one's complaining about that. That's a good slippage right there.
I like it. It stopped at the half. Like, here's your 2 quarters, sucker. What in the world, man?
We've been building out this flag right here on this 1 minute.
Hey, Duane, do you ever have that problem that I get sometimes where it's like, because earlier I closed and then it entered in a trade in the other direction again?
It has to be something with your settings, because I've never had it do that to me, to be real.
It's like my ATM's.
Are you hitting close or are you accidentally hitting reverse?
Well, I'm not hitting it reverse, man. That'd be crazy.
Well, I gotta ask here.
I mean, it's a fun tactic. Like, hey, I made the money. Now I'm going to give it back. Sucker.
Was y'all see a potential bull or bear?
I see a bull flag right now on the 1 minute. And I drew it on the chart as well. So we had the pull, the push down, and now we should break through this yellow line to take us higher. And we have the big wick on the bottom of that 5 minute and on the 2 minute, letting us know that those bulls are pushing. There's breaking through the line right at the 900. I was ready to get in, but then I saw that whole number. Let me wait. I do not play when it comes to those whole numbers because, man, I've gotten ripped up so many times.
Oh, yeah.
At those whole numbers, it's not even worth it.
What gets me is how they sneak up sometimes because you're looking at everything else and you're like, hey, man, yeah, we're paying attention here. And then it's just like, aha.
Yep. Welcome to the YouTube stream. Welcome for the people over there. Hopefully you're having a great day so far. Happy Monday. We're already up over $1,100 in less than 30 minutes. So we'll take that every day of the week. I'll tell you that. Playing at that whole number. I jumped in when we were above the whole number. It instantly sold off there. I'm getting ready to close this one out. Building out the structure for another bull flag right here. That's why I haven't closed yet. Let's see if this is getting ready to pay. Getting rejected right there at that 900 level. Those whole numbers. Let's see if we can break through finally with some momentum here. It wants to. It's trying. It's trying. The Bulls are trying here. Let's see if we use that as support. Getting real tight up here. Real tight at this 900 level. The Bulls want to push. Look at that wick on that 5-minute candle right there. They're trying. They're trying. We're consolidating right here. Right back to that 900. That the Bulls want. We're going to break it. Yeah, as soon as we break it, I'm closing this trade. Just want to see a little bit of green on this. Since I've been waiting all this time, patiently waiting here. Right back down once again.
Right back down.
The fight's real right now. Building out this structure.
We're doing it.
I don't know, 2 minutes consolidating.
Yep.
I'm
I'm looking at that.
Drop a little bit. I'm thinking it's gonna drop a little bit. It's having a hard time getting past the 900s.
Yep. That whole number. That whole number. Those whole numbers are real. There we go. Let's see if the Bulls are going getting ready to put us on a rocket ship here. Nope. Getting ready to kill this one. Unbelievable. I thought we were going to go higher. I was being greedy.
Let me go higher.
I was being greedy.
Like Belle Biv DeVoe music or something. What in the world is this?
That was not one of my funded take profits, so not upset, thankfully.
It's just something. It's bleeding in another way.
That was one of my evals with Take Profit Trader that I was trying to get past right there. I'm done trading my funded accounts. Put in a little bit over $1,100 for the day, so no reason to risk those. But I don't want to get off the stream. I'm enjoying the vibe this morning, so I'll trade some of these growth accounts with Tradeify now. We got that we got that 21 EMA below us.
Let's do it. You know, let's go.
Down at the 865. 865. Feel like we're trying to build a bear flag right here.
I see it in the 1 minute for sure.
Looking at the 2 minute as well. I feel like we're gonna come down and touch that 21 EMA. But want to see the momentum. We're consolidating right now, so. Didn't get the move. So stupid on that one. I'm being greedy. Being greedy. And then watch it come down now since I just got stopped out. Yeah, I'm gonna wait till we either start pushing above the 913 level or we get below that 21 EMA. We're currently in a range right now of consolidation and I'm not willing to get chopped up. So Moose, were we still good for Wednesday?
Yes, sir.
Awesome.
Miércoles.
Miércoles.
You gotta make them speak in Spanish so they'll be ready.
Holiday.
Welcome to the YouTube stream for the people over there. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're having a great day like we are. Only up in our funded accounts, just over $1,100 for the day. So I called it quits. Today's a no news Monday. There's no reason to risk it. So I'm just trading these growth accounts with Tradeify. See if we get them passed. If we don't, we don't today, but we'll take it. Coming back down to that 21 EMA. Around the 860, that's that 21. So yes, sir. Always getting that cash money.
But the potential bear flag is printing out. Print it out.
We're in this range right now, so no reason to trade it, gentlemen. No reason to trade it.
Order failed.
Order failed. Order failed.
Oh man.
I know the market's crazy today. It's crazy today. Were you trading on Friday, Moose, or no?
Huh?
Did you trade on Friday or no?
No. I didn't have time. I had to be at work early.
You missed out, man. The market.
I saw
Yes.
it dumped. I was so mad. I'm like, damn.
Yeah.
Because I was on the right side.
Okay.
Like, well, if I would have still had the position from Thursday,
Okay.
I was so mad.
Yeah, it was crazy. Tariffs. I tried telling people previously, when tariff news comes out, it kills the market in a good way. It gives so much volatility. It's wild. Got this bear flag starting to play out here. Want to get below this 21 EMA with follow through to jump in on it.
It's going back. Now it's
Yeah,
gonna
didn't
follow
get the
through.
follow through, but we'll just move this down because we know the market repeats itself. Let's see if we do another bear flag.
Yeah, I see another bear flag. Look like it wants to do one. I'm looking at it on the 2 minute.
All right, now I'm filled. Quick 220 right there on that trade. We got the high of that 15-minute range coming up.
948.
940. Was that in your funded?
Yeah. I jumped on 2 contracts.
Okay. Where does that put you for your payout?
I'm still 1,000 short.
Okay. Be done trading today. Do not trade that account anymore, bro. I know you're tempted, but don't.
I'm already like beyond. Like, I want to do this shit already.
Like, I want to, because as it sits right now,
Oh yeah, I know. It's no good.
like, I want you getting your payout this week, sir.
Oh, it'd be great.
How many days have you traded that account?
This is my 3rd day.
Okay, so you only need 2 more days. So you could literally say you
No,
take
this
the.
is not funded. This is not funded.
Oh, I thought that was your funded account.
No.
Okay. Do you still have that other one or no?
No, I only have 1 account, right? But they charged me for another one. That's what I was telling you.
But no, you have a funded account though.
Oh yeah, that's the one that. Yo, you know, that's the one I blew for $5. For $5 extra. I'm like, what? I was livid.
All right, we're back in this 21, not 21, the 15-minute range here. Straight through the VWAP. We're dumping again here. Let's see how we react after pushing through that VWAP.
I want to wait till this 5-minute closes below the VWAP to jump in. By the way, I only need $800 more.
That's awesome.
Yo, pray to God, I get this shit already. I'm so over this.
I'm so over this.
Yeah, you have no idea how mad I am. Listen, every time that I've blown, it's because I get so mad for like no bullshit. No, the 2 accounts that I've blown,
Yeah.
have not been for, because I'm like, yo, $100, over $100. I should have closed out, right? I was on the opposite side, whatever. Long story short, I was on the opposite side, and it had come down for less than $100 both times. And both times, like, no, it's gonna come, and it blew me out twice.
That's horrible.
I'm over it. Right? I'm over
That's
it.
horrible.
Yeah. I'm over
My whole thing, how do I put it?
Stop being greedy.
100%. 100%. Because for me personally, like, I think that's a trader's biggest downfall is the greed factor.
Yeah.
Because we see how easy it is to make money trading, right? We're literally clicking buttons. And when we see that, since it's so easy, oh no, I want some more. You know what I'm saying? I want a couple hundred more. And whenever we try pushing, because I know when I'm pushing, I'm never going to be successful with trading. It's only when I'm like relaxed and I take the step back and let it come to me, that's when I make the most money.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Now I understand why D went in on 15 contracts.
He normally goes in on 4. He's trying to follow my footsteps with the 4 contract.
Yeah, 4. But shit, on Friday, shit, I made 26. I made 2,600 off of only 2 trades.
Shit.
On that Friday. Oh my gosh, we went past through the VWAP. Oh my gosh.
I need 400 more. $400 more and I get my funded.
That's awesome.
Same with me.
My feet are sweaty.
Dang, already? How long it took you to get there?
That's hilarious. My feet are sweaty.
Right now, that's weird.
Listen, if it does like at least a 4 or 5 point drop, see like that, damn, if I was in it, I would right there. When you say you doing 2 contracts, Moose?
Yeah.
Okay.
We're still above the middle of the 15-minute range. Want to get away from this VWAP, personally.
Away.
Get to that low, 800, 795.
795.
Probably may jump in. 743.
Consolidating right here.
That VWAP. Under it now.
Fuck, I would have got my funding.
It's gonna come.
I
It's
kept
gonna do it
thinking about
again.
it.
That's
Huh?
why it's gonna do it again. Can't get mad. That's why it repeats itself. It's gonna do it again.
Yeah, it has to retouch that the VWAP.
Touching VWAP.
What time is it? 9:27. Minute.
We got 10 more seconds on this 2-minute. So waiting for this one to close here. All right, that's closed. Yeah, we're building on a nice little bear flag right here. We got tons of selling pressure. All right, there's that VWAP once again. Welcome to the stream, everyone over there on YouTube. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're having a great day so far. Only made today just about $1,200 today in my funded accounts. But I have a saying, I'll tell everyone, $1,000 a day keeps the bills away. And it's been working for me. I know it can work for you guys.
Mark is making his way back down.
It's not showing me my data for today. That's weird. All right, bear flag's getting ready to pay here, so be prepared. Be prepared, gentlemen.
I see your doodle.
Chop back up there very quickly. It's going to pay. Above that VWAP there. Welcome to the YouTube stream for everyone over there. Right now, just hanging out. 10:31. Already made $1,200 for the day, so we're just waiting. We're going to try passing some of these growth Tradify accounts today, since I'm done trading my funded. We're literally hugging this VWAP right now.
It's like a magnet.
Oh yeah.
Want to get away from it.
Well, right back in between it again.
On that 5-minute, we got a lot of buying pressure right there. Actually, looking at that, those long wicks on the bottom of those candles. Just popped out of that 15-minute range once again. Popping out of that 15-minute range once again there. Welcome to the YouTube stream for everyone over there. Welcome, welcome. Currently up for the day.
Look at the 5-minute.
What was that?
I said, my bad. I mean to cut you off. My bad.
No, go ahead.
5-minute candle. If you look at the 5-minute candle at 9:40, we broke through the VWAP, right?
Mm-hmm.
And then now at 10:25, we retested it, and then I would say that it might be going up because
it's acting as support.
Came back up. Yeah, yeah. These are the hardest $400 of my life right here.
It's not the hardest. You've done harder things to make $400.
Yeah, you're right. I lost the whole account for $50.
And Moose, are you using Ninja Trader?
No, he's trading on Trading View.
I trade Trading View.
Oh,
I like it more. It looks cleaner to me.
Oh,
For the people on YouTube, where are you guys tuning in from? I'm thinking about doing a quick giveaway for the 5 people over there. If you want me to do a giveaway, say yes in the chat, other than Millionaire, who will jump in there and say yes for everybody. Boycott Tristan. Hello, sir, once again. Well, the boycott Tristan, I'm sorry, you're too young for the giveaway, sir. Other than Millionaire, yes. Well, for any new person on the YouTube stream, other than Boycott Tristan and Millionaire, if you want to join the Legacy Wealth Society's private trading community completely for free, I can walk you through the steps on how to gain free access. Completely up to you guys. If you want to, say me, and I'll tell you how to do so. We're above that 15-minute range. I'm most likely just going to hang out for the next 20 minutes before getting off here. Since I did make my $1,200 for the day.
I'm waiting now. I'm waiting for the right, you know. Gotta force something. It's funny.
Well, if you guys want to join the Legacy Wealth Society, all you have to do is click the link in the bio and join the founders group. Clicking the founders group, that'll give you free access to the trading community. You must be over 18 years old at least to get into the community. Yeah, that's how you do it. Click the link in the bio and go to the founders group. We're welcome to have you guys. Tristan, you are not 18, kid. Just patiently waiting.
I better get this funded account tomorrow for my birthday.
Tomorrow's your birthday, sir.
Yep, tomorrow's my birthday.
I did not know.
Happy early birthday, man.
Thank you.
I'm gonna send your gift via messenger pigeon tomorrow. So
thank you. Oh, look, it's going up. I don't know. What time is it? 40.
$20 more minutes, gentlemen. I'll be getting off here. Let me actually see. So I need that account. I gotta trade that one for 6 more days. So next Tuesday, request the payout. For the community, is there anything I need to change on these streams to make it more entertaining for you guys? What do you guys think? I'm always open to improvement and constructive criticism. Okay, I can do that. Yeah, 100%. Good job. Looks like we're going back down to that VWAP potentially.
All right, market getting stuck there again up to at that 880, 890 area.
No, sir. VWAP is not a strategy. VWAP is one of the indicators we use on the charts that most retail traders use because it's showing the volume for the price average. So we utilize the VWAP, the 21 EMA, and pivot points to know where the market's been, where it's trying to get potentially back to, because the indicators we use, they're like magnets. Pivot points, 21 EMA, VWAP, and whole numbers, they're all big old magnets that's trying to pull the market. Back into this 15-minute range there. We're playing right here at the top of this 15-minute range. If we get back consistent in this 15-minute range, we're definitely going to go down and tap that VWAP. Got out of that one. Not liking this price movement on the way down here. The buyers are stepping in on this 2-minute chart that I'm looking at. Not trying to get chopped up in it. We got another 15 minutes on the stream, and then I'll be getting off here.
That's one of the reasons. Away the block to expose the head of the spinach, which in turn you have to shoot with your.
Have to wait for a second. Didn't miss much.
Nope. You did not miss anything.
We're gonna go. Do you think we're gonna be heading down to that VWAP?
I do. I took a trade, and then I got out of it only because it was being too slow. So here comes the VWAP. Oh, straight through the VWAP there. Alrighty.
Straight through the VWAP.
Let's see if we come up, tap that VWAP once again, and possibly keep us going lower here. Let's see what we get. Since the 15-minute range completed this morning, we have not tested the lows of the 15-minute range.
Well, it's damn near getting there.
Well, we still got to get through. Let's see what level this is.
Man,
783.
I know it's gonna go. Let's get right to the middle of the 50-minute range.
No, the middle of the 15-minute range is 783.
Okay.
So we haven't even tapped that middle yet.
Up now.
But we move this line down. Let's see if we build out a bear flag.
I'm mindful, boy. I'm chilling. If I see a good setup, I'll see if I can make a quick,
That's it.
quick 400. If
Yep.
not, well, then tomorrow.
Yep, there's no rush. I know for me personally, I gotta work on it as well. I rush way too often with this because I want to see the results. I want to see the money right away.
That's why you call Big Daddy, but you got to slow down.
And I gotta get better with that only because if you just take this one day at a time, not looking at the next day or how many trading days you need for your payout, it's actually more comfortable to trade and you no longer have that pressure on you like, oh, I gotta do
The pressure.
I gotta do $200 to get a payout. All right, bear flag starting to pay off right there. Let's see if we get the follow through. Looking for the waterfall here. I want the waterfall.
I think we all want the waterfall.
I got 11 more minutes before getting off stream here. So I want the waterfall before I get off. That'd be amazing. Welcome to the YouTube stream for everyone that's tuning in. Welcome, welcome. Your boy's up over 1,200 bucks a day in his funded accounts, which I am currently not trading. Lock in those profits, come back the next day. So I'm currently trading a growth eval with Tradeify, just so I can stay live with you guys and not risk the money I already earned in my funded accounts today. Are we going to waterfall here? I need a waterfall.
Let's see some momentum, Duane. Can you do that for me?
I'll call the market makers and tell them we need momentum. Lock that in right there. The waterfall.
$150 and I get my funded.
What was that?
150 and I get funded.
Hey, do you?
Oh, you still doing 2 contracts?
Yeah.
He's up to 7 now.
I'm up to like 9.
He's up to 9. Jesus. Well,
I want my
drop your contracts. Have you been trading 2 contracts, right?
Yeah.
Drop it down now, 1 contract.
Just today though.
No, that's fine. I'm just saying, since you're only $150 away,
Yeah, I'm so
drop
short,
it down 1 contract.
Put it on micro.
Not even just the 1, so that way if you do take a bad trade, you're not 2 contracts deep in it.
Yeah. No, you're right.
That's what I do. I scale down as I'm getting closer.
Yeah, so you don't get too far in case you're on the wrong side.
Exactly.
Makes sense.
I feel like, hey, once you touch that, get below that 780, it's going low. Let's go consolidate right here around this range. Oh, shit. Oh my goodness.
All right, funded. Now I'm gonna get the
All
funding.
right.
Good job, sir. Well, before you say funded,
Not funny,
check
but-
to see your balance.
Yeah, 53.97.
I get that. Is that your current balance after your
Yeah, account
fees?
balance.
I don't know how it
Total.
looks on Trading View.
Huh?
James, make sure your P&L. Yeah.
Yeah, so I would recommend you log in on your Tradeovate just to
Yes.
check to see your actual balance.
All right, hold on. So, will it be right now?
Yeah,
All right, hold on.
just to make sure. You know what I'm saying? Like, you don't need like $2 more.
Hold on.
Yeah, I think I'm past it now. I'm past my account right now too. I just made 420.
Hey, it says profit target 0 out of 3,000. The fuck?
No. On your go to Tradeovate, not the dashboard for Tradeify. Go to Tradeovate and use your login credentials to log in over there that Tradeify gives you.
Hey,
What was that?
I passed mine's at mine says $53,002.40.
Yo, what? How do you spell Trader Vic?
Huh? Yep, I passed
Hey,
that
G.
account.
Right on, G. That's
Good job,
awesome.
G. I want you guys to put in. Moose, I put it up for you so you can see what it looks like.
Trade over. Oh, trade over. Ah, my answer.
When you get the email from Tradeify congratulating you on passing your eval, put that in the discussion.
Okay. Hold on.
Now, in that 5 days,
So, all right. So it says select trading trader rate, right?
All right, no, just log in on your Tradeovate using your credentials that Tradeify gives you.
I did.
Okay.
So my trader rate, it says access. I'm on the
Simulation.
website, right? Simulation, right?
Yep.
I can click on that.
And then it'll show your account balance at the top. Right under, it'll say account and then how much is in it.
$53.97.
$53.97. All right, you're good. I just wanted you to confirm just to make sure
Yeah, the fees.
because I don't know how TradingView like calculates everything, so I didn't want you thinking you passed when you needed like a couple more dollars. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, gotcha.
But congratulations, gentlemen.
Thank you.
Thank you.
So now what? What do I do? I forgot how to do this.
Nope. Now you wait till after 5:30. You'll get the email congratulating you on passing, which you'll put in the discussion. By the way,
Okay.
was that Moose? Was that advanced or growth account?
A growth.
All right.
No,
So for
I don't
you,
know. I
literally,
gotta pay like 120 something.
no, you don't pay anything. If that was the
No,
growth
no.
account,
No, it's
you'll
the other
be
one.
able to just click activate funded, and that's it. You don't pay any more on that.
No. The one that you told me, the other one, the one that we've been doing.
Advanced.
The advance.
There you go, that one.
So you gotta
Okay.
pay.
Yeah, I gotta pay like 120, I think, right?
Yeah.
120. Yeah.
Is there a way we can get a discounted code for that too?
They don't have a discount code for the activation.
Okay.
Trust me, if they did, we would have it.
That's why I'm gonna jump on the I'm gonna open up another I'm trying to open up a funding thing.
Okay.
So if I pass that, I don't gotta pay for no fee.
Yeah. Well, they do have that with Tradeify, but it's just a higher price point.
Oh,
That's why I don't recommend it when people are just starting out, because
Because
if
you're
you don't
paying
pass
for
it, you literally just doubled your expense. Because it's like just under $97 all in.
Prepare to go along. This is Art Studio, the legend.
All right, we're coming down here to this low of the 15-minute range.
Are we gonna punch through it, baby?
Oh.
Hey, Duane, on your messenger, Facebook Messenger, I sent you 2 things. Check it out when you can.
Okay.
Because it supports video. That's why I sent it there.
Oh, those are cool.
That's my desk. That's my sculpture on my desk, and I animated them. So
That's cool. That's really cool.
It didn't update yet. See what? I made like 4 old.
All right, 2 more minutes and I'm gonna be getting off here.
you're gonna stay for at least 3 minutes to see if the market moves. I know you.
Ah,
Oh,
11:01. I'm out. 11:01. I'm out.
Oh, 5 minutes. Come on.
No, but 11:01. I'm out.
Just you need to activate another growth account, and then you can trade it, and then you go.
No,
Oh,
that's not necessary. That's not necessary, sir. Not today.
But then you start thinking about it. You're like, hey, that's actually a good idea.
It's like, I could do that, you know, like. We're down here at these lows for this 15-minute range. Should get some more movement after 11 o'clock. But
That's why you're staying. That's good of you to stay.
yep, that's what I'm saying till 11:01 just to play it safe. But I'm happy because on this account I just traded, I was down in it $1,300 from last Friday. So now I'm above break even on this.
That's awesome.
So I'm back to having like the $2,000 drawdown. So we'll take that.
Yeah.
All right, gentlemen, it's been a pleasure. Well, I got less than 30 seconds. So anyone have questions or anything before I get off here?
No, I have a question for everybody. What are you guys doing today?
I'm going to be relaxing,
Chill.
hanging out with the family today. I won't end the Zoom call with you guys, but I'll put one of you guys as the host just so it can stay active. So you guys can still fellowship even though I'm not in.
I'm gonna build it today. I can do it today.
Well, I'm gonna be going in a minute myself because my lovely wife is here, and so like as we're gonna go hiking.
Okay. Well, gentlemen, it's been a pleasure. I'll end the whole calls since unless G and Moose want to stay on. Do you guys want to stay on?
I'm done.
Okay.
Damn, you leaving? You done, Moose? Come on, we're not gonna celebrate. Damn.
And then I lose more money. No way.
No, I didn't mean to keep trading. I said like at least celebrate. We both got our fun in the count.
Hey,
Make sure you put the email confirmations in the discussion. I want to see it because if it's not in there, I don't believe it happened.
Hey,
Yeah,
I'm like social media. If you don't post it, it's not real.
You know what's funny? You know what's so funny? I was so scared when I got into that trade. I saw it go down to about at a price that I saw. I was like, okay, that's it.
Yeah.
Look, I checked on the Ninja Trader. I made it said 3,000 over $3,002.40, bro. I was like, well, that's good enough.
I hope it's good
Hey,
enough.
Dwayne,
Yeah.
the email should come like around 6 o'clock, right? Around
Yeah,
six,
like around 5:30 ish,
Sometimes
you'll
probably
get that
sooner, though.
email.
Sometimes probably
All right,
sooner.
cool. Sounds good.
All right, guys.
Sounds good, guys. I'll see you later.
Have a good rest of your day.
Have a good one.
Yeah, sometimes that notification comes sooner too, though.
Yeah, I always get mine around 5:30 ish,
It
but
hasn't updated. It hasn't updated yet on my thing.
Yeah.
What I made Friday.
all right, gentlemen. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Have a good rest of your day.
One more thing, Dwayne.
All right.
Yeah.
So you say like with the growth account, they don't charge you when you pass that
Yeah, there's no activation fee,
for the growth.
but you're paying up front just under $100.
So should I do a growth account?
Do you feel like you're passing the evals consistently?
Yes, I am. This is my third fund. This is my third funded account.
Okay.
I feel like I'm ready enough to start on a growth account.
Yeah. Then if you feel like you're passing them consistently, definitely try a growth account because it'll save you money in the long run.
And don't they have a limit too, so they don't have you like for that day be trading?
Yeah, so you'll get cut off if you lose more than $12.50.
Okay,
Like, so it'll lock you out for the day. You gotta come back the next day.
gotcha.
Knock
I like
you
that.
out, sucker.
I like that.
What's
Wow.
the market doing right now?
Not much.
Consolidating.
It's going to sleep, man.
It did a little drop, but it's consolidating right now.
All right, guys.
That closed out.
I will
Alright,
see
alright,
y'all
Wayne.
tomorrow.
For sure.
Later. Congratulations, guys.
All right, guys.
Thank you, Steve.
For all the people that tune in on the YouTube show, I appreciate you guys tuning in. I will see you guys tomorrow, bright and early. Stay blessed.